For my project, I decided to make a D&D attribute roller. So attributes in D&D are decided by rolling 4d6, or in other words, like four 6-sided dice. So as an example, if I rolled a 4, 3, 2, and 6, to decide the attribute, you drop the lowest one. So in this case, I would drop the 2, be left with 3, 4, and 6, as seen here. And then I would add the 3, 4, and 6 for an attribute score of 13. Okay? So the way it works is you call roll attribute, give it the PID for the roller and the adder. And then the roller, the way it works is when it gets told it needs to roll something, it creates a list and automatically sorts it of 4 random integers in a range of 1 to 6. Okay, that's this whole part right here, and that just starts itself over so that it can keep getting called. And that's what's happening right here. And then when it gets a response from that, it just holds on to the response. And then it checks if that response is a list, like it's expecting. And then if it's true, it'll go in and send that to the adder. After saying we're only going to send the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of the 4th index, like items in the list. So that's what's down here. And it's set up in a way so that if any of those aren't numbers for some reason, it'll catch it and say that it doesn't work. And then also back up here, the last thing that it'll do is give that as a response. And then also, if that first response, this one, is not a list, then it's also set to catch that and give that back as a fail. So that's the whole program. It working. It looks like this. And you also have to give it the PIDs. For it to work. And every time you put this in, it'll keep giving back another new randomly generated score for your attributes. And it will never be below a 3, but for that to happen, it would have to roll 4 1s. And it'll never be above an 18, but for that to happen, it would have to be at least 3 6s. So, yeah, that's my program.